Testing. Hello, welcome to the video. Here we're looking at a box plot, actually a comparative box plot. It's showing the salaries for construction workers and teachers. So each box plot is representing the distribution of salaries for people in those professions. And the question here says, if a person is making the minimum salary for a construction worker, they're making more than what percent of teachers? So let's break this up and first just look at handle the first part of it. We want to see someone's making a minimum salary for a construction worker. So of the two box plots, we identify that the first one shows us construction worker salary, so we're looking at this box plot. When we interpret a box plot, remember each line on the plot is telling us one number from that 5-number summary. So that first line is telling us the min. Just for completion, the second line would tell us Q1, the third would tell us Q2, which is also the median. The next line tells us Q3, and the last one tells us the max. So if someone's making the minimum salary for a construction worker, this is the box that will tell us that value. So there's that box. If we go down to the horizontal axis, we see that that line aligns with the number 25. And the units are thousands of dollars. So the minimum salary for a construction worker is $25,000 according to this box plot. So the question then, we can rethink about it and say it's asking if a person is making $25,000, they're making more than what percent of teachers. So now let's go over to the teachers box plot, which is the second one here. Oh, we don't want that. The teachers box plot, which is the second one. And look at that value, 25,000, and see where it lines up with the box plot. It's lining up with the bottom of the box. So let's go through and remember, the first line here is the min. That next line right there is Q1. So this line here is the first quartile of my distribution. Remember, quartiles have 25% of values below them, 75% of values above them. So someone who's making the first quartile is making more than 25% of people, because 25% of the values will be below that first quartile. So the answer there would be 25, because we could say Q1 is more than 25% of the values. If instead we'd been looking at this, if it had been 30,000, then we would be at Q2 and we would have 50% below it.